Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use internal linking for SEO in Wix. Internal linking is a powerful way to boost your site's search engine rankings by connecting related pages together, helping both visitors and search engines navigate your content more effectively. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your site. Now you're viewing your website settings page. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to use internal linking for SEO on. It's important to verify you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. From this page, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to move forward. This action will direct you into the Wix website editor screen where you can make all your content and design changes. Once you're in the editor, start by accessing the Pages and Menu section. You'll find this on the left navigation panel. Click on it and the menu will expand, showing you all the pages currently on your website. This is where you can manage your site's structure and navigation. Now, to use the internal linking for SEO, look for the specific page you wish to implement this feature on. Hover your cursor over the page name and you'll see a three-dot icon appear. This is the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options for that page. Once clicked, you'll see an expanded menu with several selections. From these options, choose SEO Basics. This opens up a dedicated area where you can customize your SEO settings for this particular page, including its URL slug and meta description. Take your time to configure these settings carefully as they directly impact how search engines understand and rank your page. Now, to add the internal linking, click on the Advanced SEO option on the top part of your screen. This section gives you more control over technical SEO elements. Then click on the Additional Tags section and it will expand. From here, you can add more URL tags for internal SEO linking, allowing you to strategically connect this page to other relevant pages on your site. These internal links help distribute page authority throughout your website and create a better user experience by guiding visitors to related content. And that's it. You've now configured internal linking for SEO on your Wix site, which should help improve your search engine visibility and site navigation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.